Mix 1 box of cake mix, 2 boxes of pistachio pudding, oil, water, 4 eggs, sour cream, and mix it all together till you get this beautiful green color. Oil up a pan, add some sugar, spread it around the pan, place the batter in the pan, spread it out until it is nice and smooth, and bake. Make the glaze with milk, almond extract, vanilla extract, and powdered sugar. Mix it all together with a whisk. Pour that beautiful glaze over your loaf. Chop up some pistachios. Sprinkle over your loaf. Cut yourself a piece and enjoy.